Namaskaram. Namaskaram, Bengaluru, and welcome you all in the Time2Grow Media 12th Education Summit. And I'm happy and thankful from the core of my heart, and on behalf of Time2Grow Media Organization, we all welcome you for the 12th Education Summit in Bengaluru. Thank you so much once again for coming here. Let's start the program. Yes? Yes. So we will start with Ganesh Vandana, and before that, lamp lighting. For that, I would like to invite on the for the lamp lighting, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 Narayan sir, and for Satish sir, please join us for the lamp lighting. Manmeet Khurana sir, Harikishan Maram sir, Satyamurthy sir, please join us for the lamp lighting. Nikita ma'am from Power School, and 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 Singh ji.